Hello, this is Marshallie, and welcome to my garden diary. And today is the 11th of May, and right now it's a bit sunny, but the day has been uh, a moody day, I like to say. So it's cold, then it's warm, then it's windy, so a little bit of everything. But I wanted to make a short video with this flower here or plant, and it's called Star of Bethlehem. That's the one of the name that it's known by. And I've had this. This is the second. I think it's the second or third year it has been in the garden, but it was somewhere else. And last year, where it was, um, it didn't really bloom that much, and it was, yeah, I didn't want to film it. But this year I moved it to right here, which is at the side of the garden. Again, it's still not a lot, but it's enough that I can show what it looks like. I really like this bloom. It's supposed to be toxic. Um, so yeah, I'm not eating any plants in the garden or anything like that. But it's supposed to be toxic, and it's supposed to be invasive. That means that um, it will spread itself out. Um, but yeah, I'll see. I'll see how it goes with that. But I really like these white blooms, and so far it has been easy. Um, big, and I guess understand um, why it said that it spread itself out, because the year before I had just a couple of bulbs, and this year it's bigger, and yeah. So let's see. I just like this plant. It's called Star of Bethlehem, and the blooms open late in the afternoon, or well, it doesn't open in the morning. It open when it's more sunny like this, and the blooms, as you can see, are white and really nice. So that's what one of the bloom look like close up, and then when it's closed, or when it's the little bulbs, then they're like that white, uh, mm, green and white, and I think that that is also quite attractive. The leaves are not. They're almost like I think I read too that this is from the asparagus family. So but actually the leaves look more like onions or scallions. I say scallions, but yeah, like onion leaves, and it's a bulb plant. So just like the other bulb plants in the garden, all of this will die back when it gets warm, and then I won't even notice it again until next year, this time when it blooms again. And it can grow as high as that, and then that's it. So yeah, that's the Star of David. Really like it. It's easy. It's supposed to be toxic, um, but I think I mean, almost all plants are toxic. You know what to eat and what not to eat. We don't have any pets or any, the kids are not in the garden and so on. So, yeah. Okay, so that's that for that. What else is going on in the garden quickly? Alliums are just starting to push themselves out. Love, love alliums. This year will be more than last year. Alliums are so easy. You should get these in your gardens if you don't have as yet, because they're very easy. And yeah, and I have some more over there that are a little bit further along. And then the last thing I want to well, corn plants are also starting to open. Tulips are dying back. Some late ones, those orange ones, sorry about that. Those are some late tulips, but the daffodils are already um are spent over there. Forget me not sprinkled all around the garden. And then the peonies are all open now. Look at that. That is just so beautiful. I really, really like this plant. I like one that it opens early. and I really like how big the blooms are and how showy it is. And the good thing is that when the blooms are spent, I said that in the last video that they won't last very long, as we can see. Yeah, that one is already going. But after that it's spent, I can cut it back, and then the other plants will have space to grow, and then it will come back next year. So I don't want to keep this video very pervert. Look at that. Isn't that just amazingly beautiful? I really, really like that. And it's big. It's a big plant. And the blooms are also big. So yeah, that's going to be it for this short video. Let's quickly finish up with my sea of forget-me-nots here. Amazing. Every year these come back. I just wait until the plants die back and they're dry, and then I just make sure that I shake out enough when it's dried, shake out enough seeds in the garden, and they come back every year. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that wherever you are, that you are enjoying your garden, and that if you're interested in that little plant over there, then you can have. I like that too because of the white contrast in the garden. Yeah, this is a nice plant. It's supposed to be invasive according to what I've read. It's supposed to be toxic according to what I've read. So do your own research, and if this is something that you would like to have in your garden, then you can go get it and see where you can get it in your area if it's available. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Bye.